Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. This is the Samsung Galaxy S9 and I had to sell one of my kidneys to be able to afford it because it is too expensive here in the UK. So let's waste no more time, open up this box and see what's inside. Of course I've already opened up this bit, but check this out. The first thing you're gonna see, it says Samsung inside the box, which is quite interesting actually. Thank you for your shopping with us. Okay, that's okay. The paper is kind of weird. It has this kind of a, a rubbery feeling to it. And inside, what do we have? The Samsung Galaxy S9. That's the regular version, it's not the Plus because I don't like the size of the bigger one. But what is more interesting is that this is the Duos version, which means it supports 2 SIM cards. Why is that interesting? Because when you go to the normal Samsung website here in the UK, as you can see Samsung UK, if you choose to buy one of the Samsung phones, you've got the regular S8 or S8 Plus, and only the S8 Plus has a dual SIM option. So this is a big thing, because up until now, if you want the Duos version, you're gonna have to buy it from somewhere else and import it. And inside I've got 2 cases. I've got the Alcantara case, blue in color, which cost £44, guys. And over here I've got the LED view cover, which costs £59. I'm gonna do separate videos for these cases and let you guys know are they worth it or not. And what's the other interesting thing about this box is, check this out, Lil Breeze box. I never knew what that is up until now. I've checked their website and it appears that there's a specialized company which makes special boxes, and this box basically costs somewhere around £1 to Samsung. So let's waste no more time and let's unbox this baby. Let's see what do we have. No beast mode needed. Shout out to my friend Flossie Carter. Now, the very first thing that you're gonna find interesting about this box is, check this out, guys. European model. And check this out. To use SIM cards from other regions, a cumulative call over 5 minutes must be first made without SIM card blah 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 from the European operators. That's weird. But anyway, let's do the unboxing. So far it looks quite a lot like the S8, to be honest with you. That's the seal, which I'm going to break with my razor sharp nail. It's not that razor sharp apparently. Oh, the sticker is oh, the sticker is pretty good. Oh man, let me get my knife. Bloody hell. Okay, the knife is here. Let's do that like that. Oh, nice and sleek. Okay, let me get rid of this knife actually. Right, so what do we have? Boy, I am excited. £800. That's ridiculous. Check this out. The box is nice and blue over here. It says S9. Let's see what do we have. Oh yes, baby. Eject pin, some barcodes over here. What else? What else do we have? SIM ejection tool, quick start guide. I'm gonna just chuck this to the side like that. And that is the phone. How do you pull it out? Just like that. And let me see. Very first impressions, guys. It looks nice. It definitely looks nice. Now, that is the S8. Check this out. It looks quite similar. Check this out. Quite similar, guys. Very similar. A little bit darker, I must say. Actually, let's see. Actually, let's peel this one off. There's the IME number, which I'm going to hide. Actually, let me just peel it off. We really don't need it. Okay. And now at the front, yes, this one is peeled off. Okay, so the S9. By the way, make sure you press the subscribe button because I've got a speed test, I've got a camera test, and I've got overall tests of these phones. Now, what's the difference when you first look at it? This one is a little bit more darker and a little bit more shiny, and of course the fingerprint reader is at the right place. They got rid of this bullshit over here, the terms and conditions or whatever the law is, and it says Duos at the back. Actually, they didn't get rid of the crap. Check this out. At a certain light conditions, you can actually see it, but when you look at it like that, it's just not visible, guys. Very interesting. But apart from that, let me tell you that, man, this is more or less the same phone. Maybe a little bit shorter, which is great. But anyway, I'm gonna leave the S8 on the side. By the way, you know what's coming? S8, let me unlock this one somehow. Where's the fingerprint reader? Bloody hell. Okay. System update, finally got Oreo. Can you imagine, guys? 6 months, 7, 8 months later, I got Oreo. It's not a coincidence, it's because of this guy over here. But anyway, that's gonna be probably my next video. What is the difference? As you can see, there's quite a lot of difference, but let's see in real life what is gonna be the difference, guys. So what else? What else? I'm gonna check this on the side. What else do we have in the box? We've got a charger, of course. We've got this adapter, which is USB Type-C to USB connector. We've got the micro USB to USB Type-C adapter, which is good. And inside, in this small little thingy over here, we've got the USB Type-C cable. We've got some extra parts for the headphones, and headphones are again the AKG headphones, which sound not that good on the S8, to be honest with you. And let me test these ones and see how they sound on the S9. But anyway, it doesn't look like I'm gonna be using them, although they should sound okay. So basically pretty much that's it, guys. I mean, you've got just enough with the box, nothing fancy. Now, I was expecting some sort of a silicone cover, but when I checked on their website, they're charging 25 quid for a silicone cover, which is absolutely insane. That's why I gave a call to my friends from Rinke, and they've got some cases coming down to me next week, guys. So, what should you expect from Vlokin Project? Full camera test of the Galaxy S9 versus the Galaxy S8, full comparison, plus speed test as well. And just to make things a little bit more interesting, I'm gonna throw the OnePlus 5T to the game, and let's see how it's gonna perform, and is there a major difference between those two and compared to the OnePlus 5T. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Again, make sure to subscribe because that's very important for the growth of the channel. I'm trying to hit 1 million subscribers till the end of the year. So yeah, thanks again, guys, and see you later. Bye bye.